Yeah, good night, girl. I just want to let you know I snore a little bit, but I wear my little CPAP machine. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Girl, you sure you don't want to borrow this? I think you need it more than I do. Deaf people can hear her. Please don't die, fool. They're gonna press charges, dog. I still live at home with my mom, girl. Oh my God. And you said you were biracial. You look full white to me, fool. Oh my God, I gotta make sure she's still alive. You want a cookie, fool? Keep the metabolism going. What about some hot fries? I can't eat them right now because after 8, I get heartburn. I'll share. Stop snoring, bro.